tired of the generic subdomains and ready to claim your unique online identity? Let's get your custom domain working with InfinityFree. First, head over to the InfinityFree website and log into your account. This is where we'll manage all your hosting settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Domains section in your client area. Click on My Domains to proceed. On the My Domains page, you'll find a button that says Add Domain or something similar. Click on that to start the process of adding your custom domain. Now, you'll see a field to enter your domain name type in the exact custom domain you own and want to use. Make sure it's spelled correctly. Below the domain name field, you'll be asked how you want to add it for a custom domain pointing to your main website. Select the Parked Domain option. This tells InfinityFree to treat your custom domain as an alias for your main website. After entering your domain name and selecting Parked Domain, hit the Add Domain button. InfinityFree will now process your request. You should now see your custom domain listed under My Domains. The status might say pending for a moment as it propagates through the system. The crucial next step is to configure your domain's DNS records. You usually do this by going to the DNS Zone Editor within InfinityFree. Look for an option to manage DNS records. Here, you'll need to find a record for your domain. You'll typically need to point this a record to the IP address provided by InfinityFree for your hosting account. This IP address is usually found in your hosting account's welcome email or on your account dashboard. Similarly, you'll want to add or modify a CNAME record for www to point to your main InfinityFree subdomain. This ensures that both your domain.com and www.domain.com lead to your website. Once your DNS changes have had time to propagate across the internet, usually a few hours, but sometimes up to 24-48 hours, your custom domain will be live and pointing directly to your InfinityFree hosted website. Congratulations on establishing your professional online presence.